Please don't continue to be Scrooge, don't continue to be Grinch. Give this little back into people's pockets. A country with a massive budget surplus, a rich country, you had a budget that made everyone poorer, except if you were a fast food giant, if you were a multinational corporation, or if you were a developer. But in particular, it hit the poorest and most vulnerable the hardest. The bottom 10%, as a result of the withdrawal of one-off payments, they had an income decrease of 4.4%. The next 10%, a loss of 3.9%. But then this particularly cruel approach to disabled people, abandoning the promise to introduce a permanent cost of disability payment, and then withdrawing the one-off payments. They're not going to take this lying down. You're telling them, no, everything's great. We've actually improved disability services. All the organisations are screaming at you saying, we need an emergency winter cost of disability emergency payment. They're going to be in front of the Dáil, the Irish Wheelchair Association, Disability Federation of Ireland, Access for All, together next Tuesday from 12:30 to 2 p.m. Please don't continue to be Scrooge, don't continue to be Grinch. Give this little back into people's pockets.